In this video, I'm about to compare Kajabi and Skool. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed to help creators, coaches, and educators with building, marketing, and selling online courses and membership. Its comprehensive features include website building, email marketing, course hosting, and payment integration, making it a complete solution for content businesses. Pros of Kajabi include its wide range of tools, professional templates, built-in marketing tools, lack of transaction fees, and 24/7 customer support. However, Kajabi can be costly, has limited customization, a steep learning curve, and lack interactive community features. Skool, in contrast, focuses on community-driven learning by combining social interaction with education, making it ideal for engagement-focused courses. Pros of Skool include its engagement-centered design, user-friendly interface, gamification features, event scheduling tools, and affordable pricing. On the downside, Skool lacks advanced marketing and automation tools, offers only basic course creation option, does not include website building tools, and is heavily community-focused, which might not suit creators prioritizing structured course content over interaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.